some discussions, and I thought I should put things in the right perspective. First of all, Saturday after the elections, I came to Accra and did what I had to do. Sunday, I got in touch with the flag bearer. We agreed on a plan to meet with him as a caucus. I called a leadership meeting Monday afternoon. All my colleagues were in my office Monday at 1 p.m. dot. Prior to that, I had met the flag bearer face-to-face and I had briefed him on activities. So far, as you may know, we've had a 1 year without a leader, properly, so-called. And I've been in charge in Parliament, working with the party secretariat. So the General Secretary and I discussed that I needed to brief the flag bearer, which I did. It was a one-on-one, hearty, chat. And he was expecting us on the Tuesday morning. I convened a meeting Tuesday morning, and our colleagues were present. And we agreed that from there, we're going straight to the flag bearer's residence. Now, I had two other things to do. In between, the chief whip and my good self had to attend a business committee meeting. And then I also needed the permission of the leader of the house, that's Ayarga, to extend the sitting time, because we needed to have enough time, then we can start sitting, so that he could inform the speaker of the minority's temporary absence. At the same time, we had a leadership media encounter that had already been programmed. So the understanding was that my colleagues were going in a bus and that they should take the lead, because I am assigned an outrider and I have an official outrider. I could make it faster. So anybody who even watched the press engagement, you realize that Ayarga has started. Normally, we all spend the whole time, interacting with the media. So when I got in, Ayarga said, look, leader has to go somewhere and that he wants to give him the chance. And I put forth our case and our issues, and even jokingly said, I hope in my absence, he wouldn't be doing some uppercut, and indicated that, look, we needed to meet our flag bearer. I would want to beg of those who are having discussions on these matters. Look, we've elected a flag bearer. The party has a leader. It appears that people are taking the shine out of the beautiful election we had, and nobody is even talking about the Baumia victory, and people are suddenly moving away from the unity that we all calling for, that will take us to 2028. So
yeah, we have played your speech at Baumia Place like twice, where you are calling for all to work together. We have played your speech about twice.
Correct.
Right. So
we need to. We don't have a choice.
All right.
As a party. We have no choice.
I have a lot of questions for you, but when we meet next week. But do you feel under siege?
I mean,
do you feel under siege?
I'm doing my my annual medicals. Let me.
Do you feel under
siege? My health together. I mean, the right time will come. So.
But just one question. Do you feel
right perspective?
But just one question. Do you feel under siege?
No. It's politics. I mean, as for politics, you should expect anything and everything. It's part of it. You don't come into politics to expect things to be all rosy. Not at all.
You have 100%. You have 100% support for Baumia.
You don't need to ask this. There is a party leader, and my job is to rally the party in Parliament to help achieve that one goal: win elections. That's it.
You are accused of
that has to be contemplated whether or not.
You are accused of rallying. You are accused of rallying. Is it over 90% of your constituents to vote for Ken?
Is that where you want to go?
How do you undo that?
To me.
How do you undo that?
Samson, stop it. With respect, don't let us go there. With respect, you know I have a lot of respect for you. Don't let us talk about the victory of the flag bearer. The unity of the party. Don't let us get into I should answer questions. Somebody says.
Like I said, I get to sit down with you. I get to sit down with you next week. So thank you very much.
I mean, let's focus on the party.
All right.
There is a leader. We've had a successful primaries. That should be our focus.
Right.
We should begin to project the leader.
Right.
And what he stands for, his vision for the party. How we should bring everybody on board, all aspirants, all individuals, various constituency executives. Let me tell you about my intervention, just by way of signing off. Before I left Accra, through the regional chairman, Central Region, I called a meeting of all the constituency chairpersons in the region. I said, look, we have a leader, all of you, in your various constituencies, ensure you commit to the vision of the flag bearer. And that is what every constituency must do. Every region must commit to the vision of the man. We move together, continue the next internal processes, prepare ourselves for the task ahead. That is what matters.
Okay, thank you very much. Alexander Kwamina Afenyo Markin is the minority.
Bibia no person that Asante Begu. Because say you have Ghana and sebi nuan pauncho man can ya mo find chat. Nya Ashanti region kwa no moto aba. Sebi ye different tribe krampo. Some more kapa yem fanti for krampo. Yen shadan ya post kase kra wa MPP abemu. So ye see ye na support MPP. Ye de supporting the full. Woo, but mo de bibia na mo pese mo twi bibi ti say tribalism na yi na mo de be wom na abese nyoma. Wo keteche fifa wo kosa dabra FM station. Wo di na nado atema mentumi hu say no nti na mo sheda for wo sa FM station wo. Anopa wo sini so, ewie wo sini so, eyimbre wo sini so. No wo di papa we ya atem. Wo adan na nado bone be pa na papa we sabi oketechi ode aye wo de ka na ye aye se wo se wo ye ohene ye mebu kotodwo wo enim na ye mpa wo cho na man papa no ni din enda what time papa ya de be wura doctor mu because ankwa amaka yi akwa ama not nyi nti akwan bi a wo shada di nsem bi e de be we wuro bi se me anapia me ko bi platform so kan se nyame ya adom na doctor 2029 oba minim se nyame adom so obeba na so oni no ko appointing kofo bi a sebi omo fata me nyame demonstrations ebeba wo Ghana because me betna ha emfa me nkwa embeto checha emfa me sika kitu ebi embe support obi wo media so na ono me power no nko kase sebi obi fi sebi Ashanti region wo anye yi nti okofa no so no omeye minister ana omeye yi for what reason and na me bro for aba for what reason wo enyo be bi wo keteche sebi wo na wo se woni nyansa aba ma meka wo na wo se woni mbiase minna nyansa insebi wo mja wo se wo de kwa adwudwu hu se no nkofo bi so wo mo support doctor sebi omo de omo kra nyina ato ho into on to me pehwe mama men kan se pepe ya na se obegina media su obeka se eyi 2024 1 to abe woni me se ye nlusi aka e be se de hu se sa papa we 2024 1 to aba so papa we nya post e won eyi kufu apen so obenya post e won nanado apen so we be didi chapa and ye fra ye se de bi e de ko ni
na wo se pam mo free party ni
danyi pese ye twa betre media so say to because doctor hu ye na hint o say 2024 man to aba woni me say sa time ye be wini power nkanyi pese obe pese nke ye be mani post the sa nyi pa we na se nke ya mani post na nka wo ye oketechi why you tese konko abetre media so ebe ka say nyi pese panyini bi okite nimdie ya kwasesa obi ya kwasesa ebi no no abetu na nu tuo say 2024 wan to aba Inti me Jimmy na me fa me ho ma afore nkoto aba na edu de e dede a ye nkoso sankofo bi sankwasefo bi enfa mbe romo one de obo ende ye ka kire doctor se me wukunsam na obeka ye eye 100% okay se doctor ba na wanhwe ni nyeme yi a ye say dia yes dia ye kokobetire ode wo power no eno anso betwe wa baase ende me ka no ha kokobetire an ode wo besi so ono anso betu ede wa baase because obi mbe huhu no obi mbe keka obi mbe poto na efia o maka se obi ofia abonten fa na eyi yede enfa mbebom abram ya metena ayi eyi no ho amanya mane afi mo se mama ndibi ende enye yi tiketechie ye ma watie asiese sebio obi mfa ne kra meto chacha enfa ama obi na obi metena wo meka nsam fun se so obi an support eya yete ha na lestete ye ni preto kese se ogina mpoano etwe hiama ebeka kire ye se Dr. Bawo mi seni na sa nyipa na nka doctor aba akwa preto kese se ono metra oda mi a me betra ha na me kwan na ma abaka chese me fa ma no mfa nko bodue enye possible nti ye ka oketechie we na de bia na wo de ashada akwa sisi asantifo no sebi o mani adaho Minian mass and for many other hominye Jimmy for not just in Sambia, not just or move forward. No, or we na said, ye no man who say ye na ye nimpa back, ye na moja back, ye na ye Ghana for. Ye na bibia or ye okay. Into what my cancer some way and my chunk of 5 dream fame feels say in a chest a doctor bar on pointing as now asante for quafia about more to support a doctor. Inti papa we be mo so odan na echi da me sebe ye nuan ma santifo bia dabi ensi inti keteche ya wo kasa se bema na ya me ye obi kan so ye 50 ono ne papa na ofin fante but wunsa ya kan fo edi na de nti onye fante ofi ashanti onye fante nti e wane de me collection wo ne papa I mention infanticide yes sister na no se bibisa won nti muntu na MPP fo mpanyimfo no so asebe omo ho no omo fra oketechie fifa entunofo na ma ne mbe too late omo ntunofo se nsem bi wo ho a
ondemo MPP kura dodo me se anopai me fi adwuma ba me bo na yi sister mentimi
mpanyimfo no ntunofo inyama bi wo fine se ye fa nsem bi wo ho kwampa na se enkoye wo MPP woni wo oketechie woni mpanyini bi normal otumi frɛ panyin podcast minua anase mi panyin anase saa yipewe nsɛm bi wɔ hɔ ai bia panyin bi kɔtena radio so kan 1212 bia ankoye ntimpacho ɛyɛ amone ne nkasa bibi se no watene kama wo de wonkwan na wano so wonkwan na wiase nyansa nyina ekura na wa betene social media na pa ti se de wokoye no hwɛ nsɛm hu bia wokodi no NG FM wo NGT hwensam keka sansam ya na woye ya makoko otene pamu wufi ho sansam bi wo ho wo keka omo support enye hwensam bia ubegina ho ka aka 3 months me yakoto aba na wokofa galamse issue wo se wo do
ni titiro ni omanpanhene His Excellency John Dramani Mahama metene so na masori na mekasa na me di gina biribi so December ya ohye abobi 1 billion Ghana cedis. Ose finance minister en releasing one to a contractors ka na wonga timi akodi bronya. Ye kodi bronya den said ye yenso ye betumi atua yen workers ka. Odi ose ye oyo o release says ka no 22nd December to 23rd and sika ne be da Ghana Road Maintenance Trust Fund account mu. Opahene ayura wo sema e wo mu ni say Besi nedue and then the 4th of February, which is over 1 month. May come a president at say contractors on san can say sikano. Now one a ye win my contractors in be heart attack. A ye win my contractors in be wo gwan fi won fi. A ye win my contractors in be want mean tia won masuku ka. Emma nkwala no why drop out. Into my appeal. Where di nene chine ya yewra president contractors kana we say finance minister in release ya no yensa kan yensa kan ka me nsa ka me de asefem fitibe 2015 Cocoa board ɛma contractors contracts wo mu yi akwan meka ho bi Cocoa board nkoa de contractors ka minsro nka etwa mu be 4 billion ye wo project bi a ye frɛ no GOG eno na wo mabien ye wo ne ye use consolidated fund ede eyeden ede fund eno ne sika kora de me bɔ anama akoma echi ene ye wo eye road fund am prempren won asesa na aye no eye road maintenance trust fund medisa ekuakui ebiesen bomu a na just aban on number over 50 something billion Ghana cedis enye aban otisui ken eno boss aka no ena enye sebi aban otwamu ken eno no so osesa aka no medi kan na bi fi 2015 eya reho yasefem many contractors be kase yiye won mo bi adwuma sabio na wa fa no biala ne ye kan wo poto kasem se shoddy work no eno so ye ne won be hia ye de lie ene ruler e be to adwuma bia oba ba mu obi ho.
But the mandate of this country is to make sure that we utilize local content. If we have what we can use available to us at least cost, why do we not take advantage? So with your support, I want us to all also believe that if we push our leadership and support our leadership with the empirical data and the research, they should lead us through the advocacy to government. He said, Mr. Government, these are the things that